Welcome to ERPCA. Now we will see how to add new expense entry in Expense Book. On Expense Book page, click on Create New Expense button. On Create New Expense page, select Customer Name from drop-down list. We will see tasks list related to that particular customer. Click on Add Expense for that respective task. Now we can add expense for that particular task. Select Expense Type from drop-down menu. Give title for expense and add expense amount. Write description of expense and select date of expense. And then, click on Save button. In this way, we can add expense successfully. Refresh Expense Book page by click on Expense Book button. We will see expense is added under Pending Expense tab. We can edit the expense entry by click on Action button, which gives us option for edit or delete the expense entry. Thank you. With ERPCA, practice with ease.